Miss Ferdinand, the Right Honorable Miss Ferdinand, used the head of major crimes. I want you to give me a call, countryman. There is my number. I want you to keep the baboon king. That is Marvin Burnhead Gabrael inside jail. He's the most dangerous man in St. Lucia. So I'm asking you, please give me, countryman, a call. Thank you. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, this video right here, I am going to highlight the Monsters gang in St. Lucia. Yo, you see them boy are some of the worst set of pussy hole them dog. I mean I tell you now what them boy do. And it really upset me, you know. It upset me. But St. Lucia is yo, it's undescribable. And I'm not dissing the people of St. Lucia. What I am trying to do is wake up this blood-clad police force. You understand? Because I want you guys listen to this. Listen to this little clip, and then I'm gonna come back and explain this murder, this triple murder, and how it went down, and what the fuck happened, yo. Listen.
The Independence Day triple homicide at Latok continues to haunt family members of the three victims, with the nightmarish account of a couple bound, gagged, and fatally shot, and an in-law beaten to a bloody pulp.
You know me have to interject right there, so. What the news specifically left out, it's right there in front of you. That a woman was raped by 7 of these gang members, and then murder with the 2 youth them.
Seared in the memory banks of grieving relatives. As the 6th-month mark nears with no breakthrough in that case, loved ones are vowing to keep the names of those brutally murdered alive.
Now, me want know how St. Lucia bomber-clad police can solve the case. And me, countryman, solve the case. Me I go present the case, and me I go solve the blood-clad case. And the police them know for solve the case, you know. And it's just a shame and disgrace. Them have these people families, you understand, going through this fuckery. But me I go solve the case in front of Uno. Okay? Just listen.
Recorded back-to-back triple homicides in February 2022. A gunman shot up a house party on February 18th, killing 3 people. Then there is the aforementioned brutal home invasion at Latok on February 22nd. Law enforcement authorities have been engaged in an uphill battle to get the epidemic of gun violence under control, as the caseload of over decades of unsolved homicides continues to mount.
Me nah lie, in my years of being a vlogger, you see, them set of money where me a go talk about, and me a go lay out the situation here. And remember me tell you dog, the worst set of blood clot set of man them are some bottom feeder, them youth here. Them youth here are some straight pussy them, you know. You understand? Cause the man them I get sexually aroused when them go do a robbery and a rape and kill off people. Rape the woman and kill her, you know, dog. Never explain this, dog. Now this story start with a youth named Buju. Now everybody know Buju, cause the video did go around the island where him did want to blow out him brains over a girl. You understand? Now Buju steal some drugs from the cartel and some money. You understand? End up at jail a Martinique. Now the cartel them page Marvin and the Monster Gang. And when them page Marvin and the Monster Gang, I just say everything start. Me I go explain it to you. B00N King, you Marvin, B00N. Now since you are the baddest man in a St. Lucia, I want to know why you not go for that money. Look on that money picture right here, so. Why make you not go for that money? Banan on top of the hill in the big White House. You know why? Cause you know say the 7 them were murder on the bomb buckler. That's why you not do it. You understand? Go for banan, and that if you do. You pick on the blood clot poor people them. Look on the youth there. You see Marga. Look how Marga is, you know. Him name Marvin, B00N, Gabrael. You see that youth here? You see Tesha Miller, Jamaica, Termite, and Black Man. Them not have nothing upon the youth here. And the youth here come from St. Lucia. Now you see the first time him kill a youth, and when him young, and it's a 12 gauge shotgun him use, and him beat the charge in a St. Lucia, and I gotta explain to you about that triple murder here, where that boy I do that. One of Marvin first move when make is to buy murder mobile. See it right there, so. And the murder mobile is a Suzuki Swift, and it have B00N on it in a white bottom round at the back. On the bottom left or right, somewhere around there, so the last time me see it. You understand? And him specifically buy that carrier so the man them can use it and go around and rob and kill. Let me repeat again. Let me repeat this. Rob and kill and torture people. Okay? Like I stated earlier, Buju, who suicidal over one catty, him thief the man them things, and somehow it end up at a stash house in Latak. Now Buju, when him hear say Marvin, I look for him and the Monster crew, him rat out the stash house. That brings us to Latak with the triple murder. The Monster Gang, what them do? Them get the SSU uniform, that are the special police force in St. Lucia. And the Monster Gang, led by Marvin, B00N, Gabrael, enter the dwelling of the house dressed like the special police in St. Lucia. I want you to hear that, you know. When the man them reaching at the house, the first thing the man them do, the man them stab one of the brother in him heart with an ice pick. That are the person where them say died on the 12th. He was downstairs, and him, as soon as them go in, them stab him in him heart with an ice pick, and him drop on the ground. After that, the man them proceed to upstairs, and when them go upstairs, the other brother was in the house. Now me can't tell you now who was all in the house. Now me know the name of all of the man them that went up in the house. The gang was led by Marvin. That's B00N, the leader. You have Kyle. You have Shem. you have Russian, Cyborg, Kendall, and you have Jaim, the driver. Him a drive the murder mobile. Now the man them upstairs, and when them go upstairs, them see the other brother and him woman up there naked. Now them stick them up and ask them where the food, where the drugs, or the money. The brother recognize one of the man them, one of the robber them, one of the gang member, the monster, and call him out by name. When the man call him out by name, that's when Marvin decide, say them have to kill him. And kill them, kill the girl and kill the man. But before them kill them, Marvin tell the man them to fuck the girl. And all of the man them rape the woman. And then them kill her. I want to listen to what me I say now, and I make it up. Right now, they're sitting in jail in St. Lucia. You understand? All of them they are jail right now at St. Lucia. And if you notice in the news clip, the family is saying, yo, at that time it was 6 months, now it's like years. And if me can't solve the case, why St. Lucia Bumbleclad police can't solve the case? Eh? It's now years, and me are telling her exactly what happened. Man, them go upstairs. See the couple upstairs naked in the bed, probably a fuck. Decide, get the money, whatever. The man who them a rob, call out one of the monster gang by name, and that turn them upside down. Now, Marvin decide, say, them a go kill them. But before them kill them, he make the man them rape the girl, and he never rape her. So he make all of the youth them, where they round with him, rape this lady and then kill her. And me a go show you the killer. Cause me know who is the killer, who pull the bullet. Me know who, and me a go show you. But after that, him the rape her, he make the man them rape her and then kill her. That's how this story go. Wanna see in the news. Case solved. How St. Lucia police can't solve it? Eh? Now Marvin Burnhead Gabrael, him don't drink and him don't smoke. You hear me? Him not smoke weed, him not smoke cigarette, him not drink alcohol. So him get fame high off a murder and watching torture and stuff like that. Now him stand up and watch the man them rape the woman, and after them rape the woman, then look at the screen in front of you right now. Before we move on, I want to look on a picture there. You see a girl there? A Marvin Burnhead B00N King. A female girl that you know, in baby mother you know. Another girl them use and send her out for lower man you know and draw them in. And when the man them come in now, then he murder and kill them. The thing what I don't like with them boy is when them set you up with them girl and them rob you. I kill them, I kill you know. Look on the girl there. That's the youth who do the killing right there so. Shem. A Shaka P, a film father. You understand? But me I show you how St. Lucia fuck up. Now Shaka P, him dead you know. And I want a Marvin soldier brother kill Shaka P. And Shem him turn hitman for Marvin, and him kill the woman and the man upstairs after them rape her and Marvin watch. Alright, remember me touch on the policeman murder, right? Well, me finally know who killed the policeman. You see that youth here, so? Right here, so? Him and the boy Marvin kill the policeman. You understand? Him kill the policeman, Marvin shoot the other one. And remember now, I lean back and Scarecrow, Teletubby and Scarecrow, see them there in the picture right here, so. And then get the contract and pass it on to Marvin and the youth here, Shem. Yannick, Bolo, Vash King, me have your picture pussy. And me know why you kill Messi, pussy wall Vaskin. Bottom feeder Marvin, let me tell you how you're pussy, we are gonna rewind that one. Now, for your birthday, you go Martinique with the Frenchman them. You want some of the monster crew. And you shot the man them in them head, the Frenchman them. Throw them in the water and take them gold and go celebrate back your birthday. See your birthday picture the pussy and you wear the man gold and you wear the man ring on your bumper clad finger. You are a real pussy wolf. Now, Betty Boo, Miss Germs, don't fear baby. Your video is coming up and I have a lot of stuff on you. You and your iron pussy. Okay? Remember that. Now, police can't solve this case in Latak, but me countryman solve it. The monster gang, led by that man in the top left right there, in the red shirt, Marvin B00N. You understand? Him have the murder mobile, the Suzuki Swift. When you see that Swift they come round, you know say people are gonna dead. And the police them and the news media dog can't solve this case, but me countryman solve it. Now the police only need to get up off on the ass and put this case to arrest and give the people them some closure, dog. You understand? Major crime squad, me know the name. Police, me know uno. And me a talk to uno. Me a talk to uno. Me want to solve this case, yo. Give me a call. Police, me know uno. Major crime. Me just give uno the case in a blanket. You understand? This case, solve this case. And listen, I hope uno see St. Lucia, and not everybody in St. Lucia is like this. But me I go use this terminology. St. Lucia is a nasty. You hear what me say? It's a nasty little island. And people think it's a joke place. It ain't no joke place. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.